26. Nice. Lock it up. Guys, give Andrew a big hand. Now, stay up here. Stay up here for a second, Andrew. Stay up here. Have a seat. Now, if Andrew gets to 26, and he gets to 26 tomorrow, and 26 the next day, and 26 the next day, as soon as he feels that fatigue and stops, will he ever get better? No. What happens is, as soon as he gets that fatigue, he's got to dig a little bit deeper and push a little harder and get that number 27. Then the next class, get that number 28. So here's the challenge. In order for you to succeed in life, you're going to have to be able to concentrate